Now we're going to set up our toolpaths. To do that, go ahead and start by telling the program which material you're cutting. I'm going to do a hardwood. Next, enter in your size of the material you're cutting. I'm going to be cutting a 90 by 90 by 9 millimeter piece. Now is where we really get to edit the program. Go ahead and select edit, and here we can tell it what type of toolpaths to do and with which tools. It's going to start off with a roughing and finishing toolpath. If you want to add another one, just select new process and then whatever process you want to do and its name. I'm just going to stick with the roughing and finishing. On my roughing cut, if you want to change the tool that you're using, come down to this button and then select the tool that you want to use. If the tool you want to use is not there, come over to options and select add and remove tool. Find the tool that you want to use and then select OK. Once you select a different tool, make sure that you select apply. Go ahead and select OK, and it'll create that toolpath. Once your toolpaths are edited the way you like, click close and then create your toolpath. This will take a little bit.